Guys, what we're doing here today is we're going to do an unboxing of the new power slide. You're going to need a T25 Allen key. You're going to need a Stanley knife. You'll need a 5mm Allen key and a pair of slide cutters. We're going to lift the lid off, guys. Move the lid out of the way. Now, in the top of the box, you'll have your fixing kit. It has your plates to fix it down with your bolts and your clips for the drivers. We'll put that aside. We'll come back to that later when we require it. What we're going to do now is take the two cardboard infills out of the side, just to give us a bit of room. So now we're going to remove it out of the box, guys. So put your hands in and just grab underneath the corner, grab the opposite corner, slide your box off. We're going to bring it around and put it onto the table. Now we're just going to cut the plastic bag. Just cut it up nice and high so you don't cut anything else. Alright, so now with your Torque 25 Allen key, we're going to remove these protector covers that protect our lock levers from being damaged in transport. You've got 4 Torque 25 screws on each side. We'll go under and basically we're going to undo these. We're going to lift the slide and put it back onto the bench correctly so that it's not hanging off the edge anymore. And then we're going to remove the foam and the cardboard inserts. Okay guys, so the next stage is getting power to the slide so that we can actually run the actuators and put the clevis pins in. So the thing that's going to be critical is you need at least a 12 amp supply, no smaller, 6mm cable. That's all plugged in. I've opened up and emptied the fixing kit. You've got 8 clamp plates, 4 stainless steel bolts with M8 nuts, and 2 clevis pins and clevis clips, which is what we're going to use in the next stage. What we're going to do now is we're going to run the actuators up these actuator ramps we've made to actually get the clevis pins in. So what I'll do is I'll come around to the side just so you can guide them in by pressing the button and holding it in. The actuators will run up and turn over. And then as you get close, you've just sort of back it off a little bit and just guide it in. Just keep an eye on them. There you go. Run it in. Grab your clevis pin from the inside. That one's in. That one's in. And then just put your clevis clips on. And now that we've put our clevis pins in, we just need to cycle it so that it's all the way home. It'll cut out for you. And now we're ready to remove the ramps because they're no longer needed. So with your 5mm Allen key, you just need to undo the nut, take the bolt out. There's just 2 of them in there. And just remove the ramps. So basically guys, that's all that's involved with the unboxing.